In this video, we will learn how to create a panda series using a dictionary. So first of all, we import pandas as PD. Then we create a dictionary containing population of US states. First of all, Ohio has population of almost, oops, 35,000. Then Texas has population of, Texas 71,000. Then Oregon has population of 16,000. Now we create a panda series which will contain population data of US states using pt dot series and by passing in a dictionary. Now we print the population data, which is a series object. Now what we get is a series which has um, US states, Ohio, Texas, Oregon as our index objects, and the population of these states 35,000, 71,000, and 16,000 are our series objects. The interesting thing is that when we create a series using a dictionary, the key value pair gets converted into uh, index objects and series objects respectively. This is a very interesting feature. We can do many other interesting manipulations for